If you are in need of Tesla-approved Model S collision repair in the Irving Park neighborhood of Chicago, you have come to the right place. At B&L Automotive Repairs, we specialize in repairing your Tesla Model S to manufacturer standards after a car accident. Our team uses Tesla-approved tools and techniques to ensure your vehicle is restored to its original specifications. From structural repairs to paint matching, every detail is handled with precision to make sure your Model S performs and looks like it should. We also repair damaged panels, bumpers, and glass to get your car back to its best condition. Call B&L Automotive Repairs today to schedule your repair estimate.